Welcome to Royal Enfield Classic 500. Do it yourself for engine oil replacement. Ensure the vehicle is on its center stand on level ground. Start the engine. Run for 2 minutes and then switch off the engine. Allow the oil to settle for a few minutes. Keep a clean tray below the engine. By using 8 mm spanner, remove primary drain cap to drain oil and clean suction filter and clean the magnet. Remove secondary drain plug using 12 mm spanner to drain oil. Now, remove primary drain bolt using 19 mm spanner under the crankshaft location to drain out the old oil. Using 8 mm spanner, remove the oil filter cover. Remove the O-ring and oil filter from the engine. Remove the O-ring. Assemble the O-rings and new oil filter. Assemble the new O-rings. Then assemble the oil filter cover. Install 3 oil filter cover bolts and tighten using 8 mm spanner. Clean the drain plug with cloth. Install the primary drain bolt using 19 mm spanner. Install the secondary drain plug using 12 mm spanner. Insert the clean suction filter and fix the primary drain cap 2 bolts using 8 mm spanner. Fill new engine oil till the oil level reaches up to max level mark in the oil window in crankcase cover RH. Do not overfill. Always use Royal Enfield specified oil as mentioned in the owner's manual. Oil capacity minimum to maximum is approximately 350 ml. Refit the oil filler cap. That's it. You have done the engine oil replacement.